November 17th, Saturday. So here is my cuarto de servicio, laundry room. And last night, yesterday, the water heater blew up. And here you can see the flames came here, burnt all this plastic regulator portion. And evidently the plastic dripped below and landed on what was a step, on those plastic step benches right here. Melted that. Fortunately, I didn't have any clothing hanging here yesterday. I had done my laundry, but everything was dry. And none of this stuff caught on fire here. All these plastic bags and whatnot that I keep. And then I had another bucket down here where these mops are, and that didn't go. But so anyway, it's always interesting living in foreign lands. So I'm going to put a tankless heater on. Plumbers en route. No blood.